Ever wondered what WordPress is? It's a name that often pops up when discussing websites, but what does it really mean? Today, we're diving into the world of WordPress, unraveling its mysteries, and clarifying what it's all about. Picture this. You want to create a website, but you don't have the coding expertise required to build one from scratch. This is where WordPress comes into play. WordPress is an open-source content management system, a tool that makes it easy to design, manage, and update websites without needing to know a single line of code. Think of WordPress as a canvas for your website. It provides the structure, but you get to choose the colors, the shapes, and the overall design. Whether you want to run a personal blog, create an online store, or establish a business website, WordPress has got you covered. At its core, WordPress works in two parts. There's the core software that provides the basic functionality of your website. This is where you can create and edit posts, manage comments, and configure general settings. Then there's the theme and plugins. Themes dictate the visual layout and style of your website. They're like the outfit your website wears. You can change your theme whenever you like, giving your site a fresh new look without altering the underlying content. Plugins, on the other hand, extend the functionality of your site. They're like apps for your website, adding features like contact forms, photo galleries, and even online stores. The beauty of WordPress is its vast library of plugins. You can find a plugin for almost anything you can think of, and if not, you can have one custom made. Now, it's important to note that there are two versions of WordPress, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.com is a commercial service where you can host your website for free, but with limited control and customization options. WordPress.org is the true open source version where you host your own website, giving you complete control and freedom to customize your site as you see fit. In a nutshell, WordPress is a powerful tool that allows anyone to create a professional website, regardless of their technical knowledge. It's a canvas that you can paint on, a platform that grows with you, and a community that supports you. Key points to remember about WordPress. 1. It's an open-source content management system, meaning it's free and customizable. 2. It provides the structure for your website, allowing you to focus on the design and content. 3. It's composed of a core software, themes, and plugins. 4. There are two versions, WordPress.com, a commercial service with limited customization, and WordPress.org, the open-source version with full control. 5. It's a platform that caters to everyone, from beginners to experts. So the next time you hear the word WordPress, you'll know exactly what it means. It's not just a tool, it's a platform for creativity and growth. And who knows, it might just be the perfect solution for your next website project.